Hi everybody! In this video, we will demonstrate how to use Flexmonster's toolbar. Let's start with the first tab, which is called Connect. Use it to connect to local or remote CSV and JSON files, OLAP, and Elasticsearch. Let's connect to a remote JSON file and see the new data on the grid. The second tab, Open, allows you to open local or remote reports. Here you can see how a remote report is loaded into Flexmonster. The Save tab is used for saving all current configurations as a JSON file that can later be opened via the Open tab. The Export tab offers to print the current content or export it to HTML, CSV, Excel, image, or PDF. The Share tab allows you to create a link to your report and share it with other people. Following the link, they will see the exact configuration you had on the grid when creating a sharing link. The Charts tab is used for switching between different chart types. To return back to the grid view, we click the Grid tab. The next tab is called Format and provides two options, number and conditional formatting. Let's see how to set number formatting in your report. We select Format Cells and see a formatting pop-up window. Then we select the value to which the format should be applied. Let's format price values. Specify decimal places and a currency symbol. Then we click Apply and the changes are displayed on the grid. Now you can see the currency symbol before each price value. Now let's highlight the data by adding conditional formatting. We choose conditional formatting and click the plus icon to add a new condition. We want to highlight all cells where quantity is greater than 1,000. So we select the quantity measure from the drop-down list and enter the condition type and value. Then we click the A letter icon to set font and background colors. Let's click Apply to see the changes on the grid. The next tab on the toolbar is Options. Use it to configure grand totals and subtotals. You can also switch between compact, classic, and flat forms of the grid. Let's switch to the flat form and see our data in a simple table. The Fields tab opens the field list. Use it to rearrange currently displayed field. The Full Screen tab switches Flexmonster to the full screen mode. This mode can be exited by pressing the Escape button on the keyboard or clicking the Full Screen tab once more. Now you will easily use functions provided by the toolbar. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.